asked me about my special pork roast tenderloin. 15 minutes to make it. Excuse me? Here we go. Anyway, what I have is fresh rosemary from my yard. You can have it or you can buy it at the store. And also fresh oregano that I'm happy to have it in my yard. And of course some chopped garlic. Salt and pepper. And this is how we do it. My hands are clean, but I'm going to rinse it. And I do not like to use gloves. But you can't if you want to. But anyway, thank God we are healthy. And I want to say that I feel bad for all the people. They are no longer with us. And we should be so thankful that we are alive. So let's try to stay positive and cheer up. Better days are here to come, okay? Here we go. First of all, I want to tell you, I almost forgot, because I get very emotional. I wash my pork roast all the time with white vinegar. I do not dry it. But I will do this because I want all the spices to go in. 2 cloves of garlic, rosemary, and fresh oregano, if you have it. Otherwise, you can use the dry. I like to use fresh. Then olive oil, a little bit of white balsamic, just to give them an extra kick. A fresh lemon. It's so easy. These guys, you can make dinner in half hour. Here we go. And don't worry about the pits, it's okay. They're going to stay in the fry pan. Because this is going to cook it in the fry pan. So, here we go. There we go. A little bit of salt and pepper. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. But I hope you do. I don't understand this camera, so I hope it shows what I'm trying to do here. And you need to put a lot. Because this is what, I don't like to marinate it because I want to do it 1, 2, 3. This is my 1, 2, 3 pork tenderloin. There we go. This is it. Already. Just a little more olive oil. Be that we are not going to put any on the pot. So I want this all to, and here we go. My pot, it's hot already. You can see. Okay, here we go. This is going to cook very quickly. And keep it on high. Keep it on high, please. And here we go. My next thing, when I cook this, I have do not move it too much. Just to let it be there. Just to let it be there. You can smell the aromas are like, oh, so delicious. In the meantime, the day when it's cooking, I usually like to throw potatoes or spinach. So what I did today, I have some spinach because I always cook with what I have. So I'm going to show you how quick it is to make a few, because I didn't have the fresh, so I'm going to use something that I had in freezer. So, and here they are. I rinsed it. I took all the water out. I'm sauteing a little bit of garlic. And that's what I'm doing. So to serve it with this pork roast. So I want you to see how quick this is going to cook. And how you know when it's ready, I will show you. When you punch it with your finger, it's not there yet. You need to be at least 7 minutes each side. And then you're going to let it rest on the plate, and then you cut it. Do you see how it starts to, can you see? Not yet, but we will be there in a few minutes. And you say, why did you put so much rosemary? Because they give them all the flavor you need. So, I don't even cover it, I'll let it like that. Okay, so, in the meantime, let's have a little bit of red wine. I don't like red. And cheese.
We've got Debbie, Charmaine, Dina, and Maria here.
Charmaine.
Maybe new friends. Oh,
Maria. Yeah,
Debbie, Dina, Maria, Charmaine, thank you for watching. Gosh, it smells good. I'm the lucky camera girl who gets to eat all the wonderful food.
You stopped it for a few minutes or no?
No, it's gone. I think we're going to keep going. It's too fun once I get her drinking wine.
Now, what also, I already did it. I did it before. So,
Hi everyone, I'm behind the camera.
my friend. Anyway, my thing is, I made some of those small potatoes that I decided to boil them for 10 minutes. I put them in a pot, and I want to show you in a few minutes. And olive oil, rosemary, and fresh oregano. No garlic on there because we already have garlic on both of those others. Here we go. My garlic is perfect. It's not, what do you call it? It's not burned. It's
Little
like
brown,
rosy.
yes.
And now we're going to put the spinach in there. And now they go now, and I'll show you how I finish them off. I finish them off with Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to turn my roast. At this point I check, I think I need a little bit of olive oil. Just a little, just a few drizzles. I don't want it too dry. And this is so quick. Of course, you can put salt and pepper. And this, I'm going to just put it back a little higher. Well, I would say medium. Because you need 15 minutes. 7 minutes on each side. I never even look at the clock because I do this by memory. So, but anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to show you the potatoes that I have in the oven. And here they are. See, it's just a few minutes more, and they will be perfect. When you boil them in 10 minutes, they're ready.
What's on them?
Olive oil, fresh oregano, or you can use the Italian oregano or brick oregano that you can get on Amazon. Try not to use the other oregano if you buy those little bottles because really have no flavor. This makes a big difference. Please order it and keep it in your pantry. It will make a big difference when you use oregano, dry oregano, okay? It's worth the money. It's $7 and some cents. But anyway, that's what I do. Salt and pepper and nothing else. And you keep boiling the potatoes. But you wash them, and there you go. ready. This is ready. Look.
A total of 15 minutes, right? That's it.
Yeah, this 3 minutes, 5 minutes.
What was the prep? There was really no prep other than the vinegar and the water, right?
Nothing, exactly.
You can be your own famous Italian cook in quarantine.
Here, look, the roast is getting there, but we are not totally there yet. See, you can turn it
On the sides too?
on the
Oh.
side too if you want. Use your imagination. When you cook, you get a lot to cook.
We got a lot of imaginations out there though, so
And here's how you do it. Keep it there slowly. It will be perfect.
it's about,
My son teach me how to do this.
really.
I used to do it on the oven, and he teach me how to do it like this.
So it's about 7 minutes each side, you said?
Yeah, 7 minutes, but you can turn them once in a while, like I'm doing now.
Yeah, just keep, because
But really,
we
you
can't sit
keep
still.
it on each side 7 minutes. 15 minutes, you have dinner. And I will show you in a minute how it's gonna be. Let me move this. I'm gonna toast this lemon in my sink. So when I do my garbage disposal, it smells so good. But anyway, if you have any questions, please write me. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram.
all there.
I'll be glad to give you any idea that you might have. And I will do this again on Wednesday. And if you want something to say, I would like Sarah to teach me this. I'm a very fast cook. I cook whatever I have at home. I'd be glad to help you. They would make me such a pleasure, especially right now. And then later on we can do private cooking lessons, and I'd be glad if you tell me what you want to learn. I'd be glad to
Alright.
teach you in my house. Right now we cannot go nowhere, so this will be a great opportunity to have good food. You can teach, learn from your kids, your husbands, and it will give me such a pleasure. And we could have fun. So please send me a message, and I'll be glad to help you with everything. Chin chin. Don't forget, a little bit of wine